guys, March 14th, 2022. This one I got a call from a lady. She got a tub shower valve that, I guess she had to put pliers on it, or vice grips on it to shut it off. The handle broke off, so then she put vice grips on it. So now obviously she's gonna need either a new shower valve or rebuild that one, right? She said it's a Simmons. So I should have parts what I need in the truck for it. We'll have to see how bad it is. Well, she's not too far from my shop. We're gonna go by there and see if we can help out this damsel in distress. A lot of these people look me up on the internet, you know, and see me on the YouTubes and call me. Some of these people from all over the place, Boston, want me to drive all the way up there to fix their junk. It's like, I can't, guys. I mean, I gotta keep it local. This truck's not designed for big highway driving. Besides, I mean, they don't want to pay me I don't want to be driving all the time on a road. Try to keep it local. We'll try to get you some shots if I can.
I was always curious, if you shut off the main water, the hot water stops pumping too?
Yep, because that shuts off all the water to everything.
Yeah.
So I'm just going to open this down here so we can dump it down here. And no one's home upstairs? Shoot off downstairs. It's loose. This is broken. It's broken. That handle thing. That's fine. Let's do that. That back seat don't look so good. This front one's okay. It's the back one. Get the back one out without taking the front one off first. Yeah, I gotta get the front one off first. Great. Gotta get that front one off. Gotta get this off of here first. Alright. I'll get that out. It'll come out one way or another. Raven. It's called the Raven tool. Yep. Alright. The new seat kit, we'll put that in there. Plumber's grease. It's only good to tighten it up, it's not good to get it off. Alright, new T10 spindle. Should come with a gasket. There's a gasket that goes on this outer ring here. That other one looks okay. We'll leave the other gasket. Looks okay. When you first set this, you have to, it's a compression valve, so you got to really tighten it for it to make it stop leaking. A little compression nut here. I'm going to have to tighten that a little bit. Alright. Do another handle. S30, T30. There's the numbers right there on the handle. That's still fine. It's not hot to move or nothing. That's fine. This goes in here. There's a little clip. Square goes in the back. Like that. That holds it in place. All the shit needed to be put into this thing. All the stuff. At least I don't have to rip it out of the wall. Little handle. Family house, but we'll see if I'm successful at it. Turned on slowly. Don't have any major problems. Supposedly there's no one home upstairs. always good to fill it slow. You don't want to just, boom, you don't want to just open it. I might have to change that bottom diverter. Don't look like it's working. The bottom diverter there, see it?
Yeah, no, we push it down, it works. It works.
It ain't working now.
Which one?
The bottom one.
What, this?
Yeah.
No.
I got another one. I gotta change it. Alright, we gotta change this bottom diverter because it's not working right. It's binding up. We're gonna find out why. Let's just change it. There's a little piece in there sometimes that piece breaks off. Never a dull moment, that's all I can say. Yeah, see, it's plastic. That's our problem. We're gonna just change it. See, this is plastic. See, it's cracked. That's our problem right there. This thing's still fine, but I'm gonna change it anyway. Look at this, coming right out. Yeehaw. That O-ring is what leaks. I'll put a new one in there. Let me get a half-inch fitting brush, fits right in there. Clean it, give it a good cleaning. Alright. There's the part number. It's got a brass one, that's what we want. Brass pieces that go in there. Like that. See that? And this holds it in place. That should work now. Rebuilt. Here's the one for the shower. It's black. It's just a shower valve. It's black. It's a volume control. Here's the one for the tub shower. This one here is a diverter. Tub shower diverter. This one's a volume control. It's a volume control, the black one. This one's a tub shower diverter.